Now dear student, next topic is change in temperature. Means in some chemical reactions there is found to have change in the temperatures. Now on the basis of the change in temperature, chemical reactions has been classified into the two major groups. One is exothermic reactions and number two is endothermic reactions. Now meaning of exothermic reaction means those chemical reactions which releases the heat energy or maybe the light energy also, means which releases the heat or any other form of energy to the surrounding. मतलब जिससे एनर्जी रिलीज होता है, मीन्स हीट एनर्जी इज रिलीज आउट टू द सराउंडिंग. सच रिएक्शंस इज सेड टू बी एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शंस. मीन्स a bit after reactions it is found to have an increase in temperature in a products form, product sites. Now endothermic reaction is such reactions, chemical reactions which rather absorb or takes in the heat energy to occur. मतलब ये रिएक्शन होने के लिए you need to supply or you need to just allow the form of energy in heat, light or maybe in the form of electricity also to occur this. Simply you have to remember exothermic reaction are those reactions which release the heat energy to the surrounding, and but endothermic reaction is those reactions which takes or absorb the heat energy from the surrounding. Here are some examples. So when you burn the wood, जब हम लोग लकड़ी को जलाते हैं, then definitely at the time huge amount of heat energy and light is released. Light in the form of light energy and heat energy. Now oxidation of food. Oxidation of food means during the cellular respirations, means our food break down into the its constituent particles, means carbon dioxide and water, along with the releasement of the lots of energy in our body. Means these are the example of exothermic reactions. Now for example of the endothermic reactions, you may mention the photosynthesis reactions. Means for photosynthesis what happens? Means carbon dioxide and water molecule synthesizes in the presence of sunlight, means you require the light energy or the heat energy. Then only glucose, means then only this process occurs. Means C6H12O6, ये आपका ग्लूकोज है, दिस इज द ग्लूकोज, एंड along with the oxygen is released. To balance you have to write this. Means when carbon dioxide gases is allowed to react with the water but in the presence of sunlight, means to occur this reaction you need to provide the some source of energy in the form of sunlight, then only glucose and oxygen is formed. Means this oxidation of reaction and the photosynthesis reaction is opposite reactions. It is endothermic reaction, but oxidation of food is exothermic reactions. Now next, electrolysis of water. Now when you just pass electricity through the water, then means when you pass electricity through the water, then hydrogen and oxygen gas are liberated. Means to break the, means if you want to separate the constituent of the water molecule into the hydrogen and the oxygen, then you need to supply the energy in the form of electricity. So this is also one example of endothermic reaction. Simply you have to understand exothermic means which releases the heat energy to the surrounding, but endothermic does absorb or take in the heat energy from the surrounding.